toolbox update. Top drawer, got 12-point Craftsman in the back, standard 6-point impact, 12mm triple square thrown in here, an extra 7/8. I have 12-point metric half-inch drive in the back, Matco, a set of Matco non-slip, tap sockets, oil pressure sockets, a couple extra Torx, snap-on from 10 all the way up to 24 in impact, half-inch drive, 27 and a couple eyeball ones. 3/8 standard right here. I have Matco 12-point AEV, 8 to 19, a snap-on set of impact 6 points, set of Gray Pneumatic 6-point semi-deep impacts, another set of ADV short 12 points, set of snap-on short 6 points, missing a couple sizes. I got a Mac ratchet, bunch of snap-on ones. I even got the new extra long flex head, crow's feet, flare nut, metric hex bits, adapters, extractors, low profile, 6-point snap-on, Mac half-inch Allen's bumper cover sockets, 1/4-inch ratchets, even the long flex head, 1/4-inch extensions, 3/8 extensions, more 3/8 extension, a mixture of half-inch and 3/8 impact, Mason half-inch impact extensions and universal, semi-deep snap-on sockets, deep and short snap-on sockets, semi-deep standard. All of these were metric. Here's another metric set, oxygen sensor socket, truck hub sockets, axle nuts, a couple of 12 points, 6-point 1/4-inch universals, 6-point semi-deep chrome, twist sockets, inverted Torx, my swivel sockets, tamper-proof Torx are right here, short metric Allens, just a couple of extra snap-on ones, mid-length Torx, Torx Plus, triple squares, 5-point security Torx, some Phillips, a couple of extra torque bits right there, more Torx back here, a couple of bald hexes, standard short hex bits. These are standard regular hex bits, rails and miscellaneous, 8-point sockets in the back. On to drawer number 2. This is my screwdriver drawer. I got long Phillips, some pry tools, snap-on set, a set that I beat on, stubby screwdrivers, tire valve pull, some nut drivers, long picks, radiator hose pick, an angle screwdriver, snap-on mini picks, mini screwdrivers, standard wrenches, a 7/8 for working on hydraulic lines. I needed that. A metric set of Mac wrenches, only kind of short. Metric flare nut wrenches, standard flare nut wrenches, 0-degree offset snap-on, an oxygen sensor wrench from Snap-on. I have a 30 and 32 in the back here. This is for a fuel line on a Cummins motor. Flex head Mac ratcheting wrenches, stubby Mac ratcheting wrenches, battery wrenches, a 21-22 ratcheting wrench. This is a set of wrenches I actually go from 6 all the way up to 24 without skipping a size. They're not all snap-on. And some extra ones over here in the corner, some extra ratcheting wrenches, and the smaller ones that goes with all of these. And on to over here, I got my hose grip pliers, long needle nose, snap ring pliers, hose pinchers, regular needle nose, bolt cutters, vice grips, mini pliers, oil filter set of pliers right here, a mini set of channel locks, slip joints, the Nimpex from here to here, you know, the dikes, the cobras, the pliers wrench. I got the snap-on PZ pliers, my hammers, my punches, my pry bars. I got my air drill right there. This is a hood prop, blow guns, air chuck, Milwaukee mid-torque 1/2 inch, Milwaukee 3/8, battery impact, an Ingersoll Rand 1/2 inch, a snap-on 3/8 air ratchet, electric ratchet, my 1/4 inch air ratchet, snap-on 1/2 inch MG 7.5. This is new. A Mac 3/8, batteries from Milwaukee stuff, impact driver, drill, a couple of die grinders, my air hammer, tape measure, carbide bits, air hammer bits are all right here. This drawer, I have my torque screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, drum brake tools, file set, seal puller, another tape measure, bit driver kits, oil filter wrenches, an Easy Red ratchet bit driver thing, all my pry tools for doing interior work, some scrapers, bulb Allens. Down here I just have seal driver kit, exhaust hanger pliers, hose clamp pliers, indexable pry bars, another set of oil filter pliers, big channel locks, lady sticker, pipe expander, brake caliper depressor, a set of tin snips, a light, a little Mac drill, safety glasses, just random stuff. Drill bits in here and step drill bits. That's a whole kit of screwdriver bits. Oil filter sockets. These are just cut off disc, stuff with a grinder. Drill bits, saw blades, drill bits, drill bits. Down here I have stud extractors, metric and standard. A set of Mac Easy Outs. Set of German made Easy Outs. A thread restoring kit. This is my snap-on tech angle right here. I also have a gear wrench, serpentine belt tool. These are disconnect tools for AC lines, fuel lines, transmission lines. I have a set of low clearance torques, Ford spark plug remover, power steering pulley puller, and this is my dial indicator with a mag base. Power. This is a good one. In here I have my bolt grip puller set, tap and die, a chain pulling motors, a Sawzall, borescope, battery charger, the book that came with my toolbox. I have lug nut, flip sockets, and big critical sockets, 1/2 inch. And over here I have just mirrors and magnets, wheel studs for when you do like the Audis and stuff that have bolts instead of just nuts on them, paint pens, a set of bolts for a Chevy for the starter, dial caliper, stretch belt tools. These are for the new alternators that you gotta take the special pulley off. I got a set of feeler gauges in there, a set of razor blades and cable luber and pinch off tools, air chucks, air fittings, puller for GM steering wheels, a test spark plug socket. I got a scraper, a set of mini Torx, a set of seal removers, a Ford ignition module tool, some extra drill bits, hood holder, scrapers, extra taps and drill bits go with them, spark plug rethreader. This is my dial caliper, earplugs, metric tape measure, battery terminal puller, 10-foot tape measure. Okay. And this is just my electrical tool drawer, power probe, multimeter. These are the test leads for the power probe, memory saver, a regular test light, temperature gun, cleaners for plows. This is just more cleaners for electrical terminals, wires. I got my crimpers and strippers all here, dielectric grease, a little torch, backflow pins, and this had my Noid lights in it, trailer plug tester, a battery tester, a small USB cord, my Bluetooth speaker. Down here I just have Milwaukee hole saws, a compression gauge. Underneath that is my ball joint press, a Mac bit set, bore brush kit, a set of spark plug sockets. This is OTC oil pressure gauge. This is my adapter kit for my cooling system pressure tester. This is a double flaring coil kit. This is the cooling system pressure tester. This is a fuel pressure tester. This is just a kit for doing brakes.